In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shortcut for Shopify straight from your Google Chrome browser. This is a simple and efficient way to access Shopify directly from your desktop, improving your workflow and saving you precious time. Whether you're managing an online store or you're just a fan of quick and easy access, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in. First, let's open up our Google Chrome browser. Once that's open on your computer screen, you'll want to navigate to the Shopify website. If you haven't been there before or you just need a reminder, Shopify is an online platform that allows you to create and run your own e-commerce website. It's widely used by businesses around the world for its user-friendly interface and powerful tools. So make sure you have the right page open because we're about to make accessing Shopify a whole lot easier. Now that you're gazing at the Shopify web page, let's focus our attention on a particular area of your browser, the top right corner. There you'll notice an icon with 3 vertical dots. These dots represent your customization and control options for the Chrome browser. Go ahead and click on these dots. A drop-down menu will appear, providing a variety of options that you can explore, but for now, let's keep our focus on creating that shortcut. You'll want to find the option that says Cast, Save, and Share. This option might be familiar if you've cast your screen to a different device or saved web pages before, but today it's the gateway to our main task. Without delaying further, click on Create Shortcut. It's usually towards the top of the extended options on the drop-down menu. When you click on Create Shortcut, a small window will pop up asking you to confirm the name you'd like displayed for that shortcut. Feel free to keep it as Shopify or personalize it to suit your preference. Perhaps something like Shopify HQ or My Store. Once you've settled on the perfect name, click the Create button to finalize this step. And just like that, you're done. You should now see a shiny new Shopify icon on your desktop. It's like having a virtual open sesame right there, ready to whisk you away to your online store at any time. With this shortcut, you won't have to type the URL or search for Shopify in your bookmarks, making the whole process smoother and faster. So there you have it. A quick and efficient way to create a shortcut for Shopify using Google Chrome. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your daily professional life just a little bit easier. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your digital experience.